Part 2 of the General Ledger Department Maintenance feature involves when you want to add a new account, a new General Ledger account, but you also want it to be automatically added to all existing departments, or you want to at least choose which departments. In this case, let's say we're going to have a new sales product line, and this new sales product line is going to be captured in a sales account called, we'll do it 4040. We'll go ahead and we'll add this new account. We'll say yes, and we're going to call this a new product line, and we want to track the sales in the General Ledger separately for that. And so we're happy with this. We'll go ahead and exit out of this screen. Now when we get back to the chart of accounts department maintenance, or just department maintenance, we can go ahead and add that new account that we had entered. We may need to hit a little refresh there, make sure it knows it's there. 4040. We can hit enter, and it sees that. Now we can tell it which departments we want to add this account for. So we want it for the service department, and we also want it for the sales department. When it adds the new account, the new General Ledger accounts for these two departments, we wanted to add the description like we did in Part 1, and we'll click Create New Accounts. And now that that's complete, we can go ahead and take a look at what new accounts it did create. And we'll put in 4040. And then we'll hit the F4 key, and you can see it created two new accounts for us, both with the new divisions, one with sales and one with service. And that concludes Part 2 of the General Ledger Department's Maintenance feature.